Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is May, aka KIMSDOPE, and today I have a fun and exciting video for you guys today. So I'm gonna just unbox this for you guys. I literally got it today. I've been waiting for this damn box for like, I don't even know, but here we go. So I'm gonna open it up with my little eyebrow scissors. So once you open it up, it comes like that. I'm gonna have to try this palette because it looks a bomb. All right. Oh, okay. I see they did some new stuff here. Okay. I see you guys. That's dope. That's cute. It comes packaged like this, and you know your girl's probably gonna keep this because that's pretty dope. Okay. I've never seen this. This is new. Okay. Anyways, here is the palette, the Ultimate Matte Palette, the 42 Ultimate Matte Shadow Palette. I'm so excited to try this, guys. I think I might try this instead of this one, the Take Me Back to Brazil. So I basically bought these when they were on like a 30-40% off sale that they had on the website, and I bought this 7-piece smoky eyes brush. What is it? Eye Essential 7-piece brush set. I just needed some new blending brushes, you know, and since I like ordered these 3 things and it was over $40, I got this set for free. Isn't that awesome, guys? It's the Royal Affairs 10-piece metallized brush set. I think that's freaking awesome. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, we're just gonna go in and play with these brushes and makeup, eyeshadows. So I'm gonna open this up. The packaging is really cute. It has like a raised glossy lettering and the matte background. That's pretty freaking cute. I appreciate a nice packaging, especially with how affordable this brand is, and the packaging is really nice. That's a bonus to me. Alright, when I take it out of the sleeve, this is how it looks. It reminds me of the old like Morphe palettes. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is way more beautiful in person than it is online. Like, look at this. Tell me that that's not bomb. Look at these colors. This right here, I don't know what look to do. This is super freaking cute. You know what? Let's just get right into this. I want to dip right into this. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna rip off my lashes. Okay. All right. Lashes are ripped off. Funny. I want to open these brushes too to try them out. I would swatch them all, but I don't have enough arm space for that, so I'm not gonna swatch them all. I'm pretty sure there's videos out there, people swatching them. I'm sorry if my lighting's going in and out. This ring light is bright as hell. But yes, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, this is like the softest brush I've ever touched. Oh my god. Ah! I can't wait to use these. But I'm looking more so for these blending brushes. Are you kidding me right now? This is like the same freaking brush I bought from Morphe. I'm kind of irritated. Because these brushes are $7 each from Morphe. I got the 506 and the 507. Like, guys. And this one might just be a dupe for the 506. But we don't know that until we try it, right? So I'm gonna try it out. Ew. This is a highlighting brush. That's freaking huge. That's dope. Okay, okay, okay. Let me get the other blending brush too. We got concealer brushes up in there. Powder brush. Ooh. Yes. Okay. We're gonna play with those two. I think that's good. Okay. Just throw that down there. Now I'm gonna unbox the 7-piece Smoky Eyes Essentials brush set. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Babe, I'm so excited! I'm so silly. Oh! Okay. That does not look like a blender brush. That looks like a freaking highlighter brush. What the hell? Damn, Daniel, like what? Okay, okay, okay. So this is how the brush set looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. There. It looks really promising. I don't know about this one because that's huge. Is this like a highlighting brush? Cause oh, never mind. Okay. It's really soft and it's pointy. Look. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to play with these. I'm so excited. Alright. So we're gonna go in. What should I do, babe? Should I do a flower look, like a flower eyeliner look? So I did decide to do a daisy cut crease for y'all and decided to film the next day because I was not having it that night. I went in with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C6 to prime my lids. I packed that all over my lid and blended it out to create that clean canvas base for my eyeshadow. And I did not set it so that I can get a more intense, vivid, I guess, eyeshadow look. I went in with the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Mattes Palette with that creamsicle color. I am packing that onto my crease and blending it out. Whatever was left on the brush, I just swooped out to the tail of my brow. You don't have to really be precise here, but you do want to do a lot of packing and blending because you will be cutting the crease later on. And then I went in with the neutral brown to deepen the crease. Blending that in to create a seamless gradient effect. Blend, blend, blend. It'll be your best friend, okay? And then after that, I'll be going in with a darker brown to add more definition to my crease. right underneath the neutral brown that I just applied. So you want to make sure you're not like covering the color that you just applied, you know what I'm saying? Like, do it a little underneath. So I will be cutting my crease with concealer. I laid the concealer on the back of my hand to help me melt the concealer a little more, you know, so that I can cut the crease more effortlessly. Take your time here. And then I'll be packing a white eyeshadow onto the rest of the lid to set it. I'll be going in with the NYX Vivid Brights in yellow. I will be putting 6 dots onto the crease to map out where I want each daisy to be. Like, you know, evenly distribute and space out where you want the dots to be. And then I went in with the NYX white eyeliner. I'll be drawing 5 lines around each dot. And if you see me going back and forth with the colors, it's so that I can deepen the color to make it more vivid. Like here, you'll see me deepening the color. And then for each line, well, I'm showing you guys the second part, the second daisy that I am prepping. Between each line that you created, you want to draw a smaller or shorter line in between those longer lines, if you catch my drift, if I'm saying that correctly. So that you can create that daisy look, that flower effect, you know? So basically 5 lines around the dots, and then in between those 5 lines, you're gonna create a shorter line so that it looks like a daisy. And deepen the color to your liking. And then I'll be going in with the NYX Vivid Brights in green to make leaves for each flower. Take your time here. You're just creating like 2 little ovals, I guess, kind of, with a point at the end to make that leaf. Finish the other eye and the look is completed. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.